Hi.
Going on here? Wait, could this be the Nasarawa Festival of Peace and Unity?
Yeah, so this is the rehearsals for the drummers.
Wow, I saw the flyers everywhere though. Wow, this is interesting.
Thank
I
you.
like it. Can we join?
You can
Of
join.
course, you can join. We have to come tomorrow where you see the main thing. The
Ah.
color, the culture, and the unity. I bet you will love it.
Yes, but join us right now.
Yeah.
When the drum speaks, the heart of the people listen. In Nasarawa, the drum is more than a sound. It is a heartbeat that brings people together. Every beat reminds us that peace is possible, and that unity is strength, and that culture is our pride. From the young to the old, from every tribe and tongue, we dance to one rhythm. One spirit and one heart. Now this is a sound of peace, and this is a sound of unity. We are one.